2.5 years ago, the governor asked us to start this journey to go and be a paperless government. Electronic signatures was the key to driving new innovation within the state of Hawaii. What that does is naturally create business process re-engineering opportunities. That is what transforms state government to a digital experience.
eSign has been really important in making normal day-to-day processes more efficient. Our employees have found that things get done faster, and it gives them a lot of time back.
From a hard dollar perspective, we've estimated that we saved the state over $5 million. We've reduced the amount of paper that we print every day by 24,000 pages.
More than 300,000 documents have been processed through the system. I do believe that eSign is going to be a game changer in state government.